everyone. You probably think I live in my car because I seem to do a lot of videos in the car, but it's just that I'm waiting for a friend and I thought this would be a good enough time to do a quick video. This video is about the video you're about to watch. A lot of people have been asking us, where do you live? Where in the world do you live? Because we don't live in Jamaica anymore, and it's pretty obvious, I think, because I don't sound Jamaican. And the whole website, Cook Like a Jamaican, is based on the fact that, my mother wanted to teach me and my sisters how to cook the Jamaican dishes that we love, because, we're not living in Jamaica. And so we want to answer that question. I'm going to let everyone find out where we actually do live in the world. But we're not going to just tell you. We're going to actually turn it into a contest. So what you can do is please watch the entire video. In the comment section below the video, just leave a comment telling us where you think in the world that we live. And we're going to take all the people who answer it right. We're going to put it into a raffle, and we're going to give away some prizes. And so we'll announce that on our website. We'll announce it again probably in another video. But have fun, watch the video. It's only about 2.5 minutes long, and it's a video of different things in our city, different places within our city, and just tell us, where in the world do you think the ladies, Fay and Angela from Cook Like a Jamaican, where in the world do you think we live? Bye.